Choosing the right polishing pad can make all the difference in achieving a flawless finish on your vehicle. Foam and microfiber pads are two of the most popular options, each with unique strengths, and work best for different jobs. Knowing the difference helps you choose the right pad for your polishing. Foam pads are a go-to choice for both beginners and professionals. They are gentle on paint and versatile enough for many detailing tasks. Whether you are polishing, buffing, or applying waxes and sealants, foam pads can handle it all. They are easier to control than more aggressive pad types. This makes them less likely to cause swirl marks or marring, which is especially helpful for beginners. Foam pads come in different types and densities, for anything from cutting to finishing. Softer foam pads are great for final polishing or applying waxes. Firmer, more aggressive pads work better for cutting through moderate paint defects. One of the main benefits of foam is that it spreads product evenly across the surface. But foam pads do have some downsides. They are not very aggressive, so they might not remove deep scratches or heavy damage as well as other pads. You may need to make more passes to get the job done. Foam pads can clog up during long polishing sessions, or when used on soft paint. That is why it is important to clean them often to maintain performance. For really damaged paint, microfiber or wool pads might be a better option. Microfiber pads are great for fixing more serious paint problems. They are more aggressive than foam pads. They cut faster than foam, which helps save time during paint correction. Their microfiber texture increases surface area and grip, making them more effective with dual-action polishes. Microfiber pads are more aggressive than foam and work faster, but they require careful use to avoid damaging the paint. They tend to generate more heat, which can harm sensitive surfaces if you are not careful. These pads also need frequent cleaning during use, because they can clog or mat with polish and paint residue. On soft paint, microfiber pads can sometimes leave tiny scratches known as micromarring. Using a softer finishing pad afterward can help smooth out the surface. Choosing between foam and microfiber pads depends on your paint's condition. Your level of experience also plays an important role in making the right choice. Foam pads offer versatility and a gentle touch, making them ideal for finishing and light correction. Microfiber pads, on the other hand, offer strong cutting power that is great for removing heavier defects. However, they require more care and skill to use properly. By choosing the right pad and technique, you will ensure a smooth, glossy finish that highlights your vehicle's true beauty.